Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've been speaking on the English language past couple of years, and I do have built a lot of confidence while speaking in the same language and the same thing which I'm frequently doing past couple of months. And so I become like consistent over uploading the videos, and along with that I see a lot of improvement in myself. And so today I'm going to basically talk about which is most most prominent thing in today's day, because of weather. Basically, the lots of things are basically talking about, lots of people are talking about that only, because that is the thing which is nowadays very like people are knowing lot in Delhi NCR basically. So let's move on this video and let's jump into the cue cards. So if I talk about weather changing is a big part in the earth basically, because of global warming. There is a lot of changes in weather, such as in summers you will see winters, and in winters you will see summers. So this kind of things happen. So yeah, because of global warming, and there is a lot of countries who are focusing on to resolve it, but still they are not able to do that. And so because of the glacier is getting basically the glacier is changing his place. So because of that, these all things happening. And so yeah, I don't have proper knowledge about that, but I do like to have that in upcoming days. So because of that, there is a lot of changes. And so in right now, there is winter season, and because of that there is lot of rain, such as autumn. There is multiple rain happens in that time. So in winters, there is if the rain is pouring, so it is very difficult for people to basically commute. And along with that, there is lot of water lockage. And because of winter as well, there is lot of wind as well. So because of that, temperature is decreasing day by day. And so the people who are daily commuting by car, by bicycle, so that is very challenging, their movement. But yeah, still they are doing it. But now nobody is basically suffer, and nobody get this kind of situation past 5 to 10 years back. So this is what happening to lot of areas of different kind of countries. So this is very concerning. And I think most of the countries are doing for that as well, but most of the countries are not. But yeah, today's video, that is it. And so this is my 597 video. So I'll basically record 600 video, which is my task for this year basically. And then on the upcoming year, I'll basically try to upload more and try to focus on more on such content such as viral, because that is how I believe most of people get reach. So I'll try that as well. So I'll basically try all the things which is important to become a rich note basically, uh, get some sort of reach. So yeah, right now currently I don't want to focus more on that, because if you have that skill, so you can definitely get on that point of stage at the moment in every time, every stage in your life. So you just need to prepare yourself that you are capable of that. So that is what more important, I think. On this note, that is it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you don't find this video helpful, so you can watch my multiple videos. I am definitely sure that you will definitely got some sort of valuable thing from my videos, because like I have basically figure out what is more important for the peoples, and what is required basically, actually, because apart from like my studies videos, there's a lot of people who are uploading different contents. So yeah, that is also most important. But still, like for enhancing your career and doing something in your for your livelihood, that is also required. So having a consistency in your work, and having a plan, and what we say, having a confidence, these all things really matters to everyone's life, so you need to have that. So on this note, that is it. Bye bye, have a good day.